Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now if you already have an account, you can go ahead and type in your credentials. Otherwise, you can also find the sign up button within this page that you can click on to proceed with creating your account. After typing in your email address and your password, you can click on the sign in button to proceed with logging into your account. You can also turn off the remember me button if you're not logging in from a private device. After clicking on the sign in button, wait for a little while and then you will be logged into your account and taken into the Novel AI interface. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.